Thank you for tuning in today for another informative video on Mike Masters Presents. In today's video, we will be visiting Vista Cana yet again because this place never ceases to amaze. We will be going over a project of townhouses called Sand Village. As I've mentioned in many videos I've done about Vista Cana, it is approximately 15 minutes from the Punta Cana International Airport depending on traffic and road conditions. And to get to the location of Sand Village, once you get through the guarded entrance, stay to your left around the first three roundabouts. The first roundabout takes you to Oasis del Lago and Oasis Park on your right. Keep going around the roundabout and continue left. You will pass the beach and lake area. Go around that second roundabout and continue left. Then you'll get to the third roundabout. If you go to the right, it'll take you to the panorama projects, but keep going left around the roundabout and get to the next intersection. Bellaria will be on your left. Turn left there until you reach the next road and turn left. Take that road all the way down, and when you're almost at the end, Sand Village will be to your right to where it's indicated here in the map by the red star. Sand Village is a project of just 16 townhouses. They will be grouped in twos and will have 8 groups. 4 groups on each side. These townhouses will have 2 levels. The first level will measure approximately 775 square feet of living space. On this level will be the kitchen, living and dining area, guest bathroom, laundry room, service room with a full bathroom, and parking for 2 vehicles. If you wish to add a swimming pool, that comes at an additional cost, which we will cover later on. Level 2 will measure approximately 888 square feet of living space and will have the master bedroom with its own private bathroom, closet, and balcony. 2 additional bedrooms with a balcony that has access from the 2 bedrooms. The nice thing about this second floor balcony is that it provides some shade to those on the first level terrace out back. There is also a full bathroom for the 2 bedrooms to share and an extra area that can be used as a studio or family room. The starting price for Sand Village townhouses start at $235,000, and the lot sizes start at approximately 2,368 square feet. For an additional cost of $30,000, you can get a pool and a pergola. The pool size is approximately 9 by 14. Let's see some artist renderings of these townhouses. Remember, this is inside Vista Cana, which means you will be able to enjoy the many amenities Vista Cana offers, like 2 man-made beaches, fishing lake, clubhouse, restaurant, bar, sports zone, 9-hole 3-par golf course illuminated for nighttime play, eco trail, shopping center, business center, and more. Vista Cana is also home to many other projects of condos and villas. And Vista Cana will have security on site and on duty 24/7, which is already operational. Let's go over the payment plan. Reserve with $3,000 US. Pay 15% down with signed agreement. Pay 35% during construction. Pay the 50% balance upon delivery, which you can pay in full or acquire financing. The estimated delivery dates are June 2025 and December 2025. Remember, Sand Village has only 16 townhouses. If this is the type of investment you would be interested in, shoot me an email to info@mikemasterspresents.com or mikemasterspresents@gmail.com. You can also text me or call me direct if within the US or via WhatsApp if outside the US to 484-944-1621. To reserve a unit, you would need to send me a copy of your passport and front and back of your driver's license. If you have a Dominican cédula, that'll work as well. You'll have until the next day to make your reserve payment once a unit is blocked for you. Well, that's all I have for today. If you found value in today's content, please give it a like. Become a subscriber if you haven't done so yet. Hit the notification bell and choose all so you get notified immediately upon a new release. And share it with others so they too can benefit from this information. And if you get a chance, visit my webpage, mikemasterspresents.com, and follow me on Instagram @mikemasterspresents. Until next time, have a great day.